Almost every major bank are working on their own version, and there is also work going on to digitise all the major currencies, with the digital dollar, digital pound, euro, and even a Latin American dollar. CBDCs are programmable money, and the word programmable should terrify you. That means that controlling entities, i.e. central banks or governments, will have complete control over your finances.
Whatever it may be, there will be some sort of an event in either instance, on either side, that will precipitate, I believe, the rolling out of the central bank digital currencies, which will then allow it to gain acceptance rather than pushback from the public, which is why do we need this? It will be brought in to solve a big problem under the cover of it being the savior. And at the same time, maybe it does address many issues, but it will also then be, the whole new era where privacy is something that
is with their own money. Remember, it wasn't that long ago that they tried to outlaw buying or holding gold. Everyone should know, control the asset, control the people. It used to be control the press, control the people, but that is long gone since the birth of social media. Like I have said in previous videos about me being in crypto, the tech is great and all that, but I'm here for financial gain, as I think we are so early and there are huge financial gains to be made. So as much as I'm not a fan of CBDCs, they are 100% for sure coming. And if they're coming, then why not benefit financially from them? So one of the key players, and I mean one, as I'm sure many projects will be involved, but Quant Network, with their overledger technology, will be at the forefront. Gilbert Verdian, the leader at Quant, really is the guy you would want leading this charge. I mean, look at his CV. He has held many positions with multiple governments or treasuries supporting digital security. Quant isn't a blockchain, but rather a piece of software that they have patented that allows for seamless interoperability. Think of it as Bank A in Brazil needs to send money to Bank B in Canada. Now Bank A and Bank B don't know each other, so they haven't worked together creating their own CBDCs. Each has their own and they run on their own ledger, so they can't speak to each other easily. Just like Bitcoin and Ethereum currently can't interact with each other as they are both their own standalone entities, well, Quant Overledger solves this. Hedera Hashgraph can also be a major player in the CBDC world, as well with blockchain transaction volume and scalability being real issues, like Bitcoin's 1 hour transaction settlement time, or Ethereum's mid-bull run transaction fees of in excess of $500. The fact that Hedera isn't a conventional blockchain, but in fact a DAG with almost zero transaction fees, and with Sharding, in theory, unlimited transaction per second, it makes sense that Hedera and HBAR will be at the forefront of the global financial system's digitalization, and I myself wish to be part of it.